we took care of most of our custom workspace earlier. There's just a few things to add. Let's come to Window and down to Navigator. And Navigator's great when you have a really large image. This all fits in the window right now, but if I hit Command 1 to zoom in, you can see now in the Navigator I can move things around. It's an easy way to get around. Let's pretend like this image is even bigger. And you can see this red square lets us move to specific parts of our image in order to see those. So it's real beneficial, and it comes in with the histogram, and we'll talk more about the histogram later. For right now, it's good that these are there. And the last thing I want to add is the Learn panel. And this is, we had this pop up in Illustrator as well. So we have 4 items, like Illustrator had 4, and there are things to do at the other end of those. We'll talk more about that later, but for right now, all that's left is for us to save our workspace, and we need a new workspace, and you just name it the same thing. And again, we're not going to select any of these yet, and we'll just go ahead and click Save. And yeah, we are replacing it. And like I told you earlier, it sure would be great if we did have a way to save out, just save our workspace without having to replace it. But there you go. Continue to customize your Photoshop workspace. As time goes on, you learn more about your workflow and panels that you use often. And if you don't use something, maybe it shouldn't be on here. But I'll tell you right now, what we have here, you will be using.